లైట్ లేదు ఇక్కడ ఇదేనా మనకి బ్రీఫింగ్
The metal is coming and catching so this machine control is started yesterday so already 52 is over. This other one ladle is empty and another light is
ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶುಗರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೆಹಾಟೋನ್ ಕೇರಳದ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಡೀ ಮೆಟಾಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಹಾಟೋನ್ ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲದ ಸಹಜ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Yes, sir. So 20 second ladle is over. Ladle is set and people are about to open that. That time sudden blast has taken from the top of the ladle. So we are going to the middle into so people are going to the details. So what has happened that because of the metal, it is totally it's like a ball type of twisting is present. Yes, sir. It's gone to the crane also. Crane car was there. So because of the blast, so because of the village of the flag, so actually three catches are there. So they is standing over there for monitoring the level of the metal there. So then the slide gate operator will be there, sir, for cylinder operation, sir. The flow of the metal will be monitored by that person. So he will be standing out there, sir. The same person located, same person, because he wanted to save the people who take it that side, so that it goes that side, the gas come down, sir. That's right. But we also do so much, sir. So one person handling.
అంతా లైట్ లేదు ఇక్కడ ఇదేనా మనకి బ్రీఫింగ్
The metal is coming and catching so this machine control is started yesterday so already 52 is over. This other one ladle is empty and another light is